Are you looking for a way to lower your mortgage payment, build wealth, and make your home work for you? Well, imagine owning a property where someone else helps cover your mortgage payment every month. Sound crazy? It's not. It's possible with an accessory dwelling unit. It's also known as an ADU. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned homeowner, even maybe an investor, this strategy can be a game changer for you. So stay until the end as we break down 7 key benefits of house hacking with an ADU right here in Georgia. Hey friends, I'm Holli Smith with the Territory Realty team of Keller Williams Atlanta Partners. I help home buyers, sellers, and investors make smart real estate decisions, and today we're talking about how a guest home or accessory dwelling unit can be a powerful tool to offset your mortgage costs and maximize your investment. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share along, and reach out to me with any questions you have. Now let's dive in. Okay, an accessory dwelling unit is a secondary housing unit on the same lot as the primary home. This can be a basement apartment, a converted garage, a tiny home in the backyard, or even a detached guest house. Georgia is becoming an increasingly ADU-friendly state, with cities like Atlanta easing zoning restrictions to encourage more of these kind of income-generating spaces. Now, every city does have its own restrictions, so you're going to want to double check with your planning and zoning department for specifics that apply to you. Many cities do restrict the ADU size to a maximum of 800 square feet with up to 2 bedrooms. And the footprint of the ADU is not supposed to be more than 40% of the main dwelling area, the floor area on the square foot. And if you're wanting a detached backyard guest house, you'll want to keep in mind that restrictions usually say that the ADU shouldn't go over 30% of your backyard's footprint. Owners must also live in the main residence or the ADU for at least 8 months out of the year, and that is verified through an affidavit. All right, so what are the specific 7 benefits, right? Okay, let's jump in. Passive rental income. One of the biggest advantages of having an ADU is rental income. Renting out an ADU can generate anywhere from maybe a few hundred to over $1,000 per month, depending on your location and the size of the dwelling unit. This income can help offset your mortgage, cover your property taxes, or just go straight into your savings. You've also got number 2, increased property value. An ADU can significantly boost your property's value. Homes with ADUs tend to appraise higher, and they attract more buyers, especially those that are looking for flexible living spaces or investment opportunities. Number 3 is flexible living options. ADUs will provide multi-generational living solutions, whether for maybe aged parents, adult children, or even guests temporarily. This setup allows for privacy while keeping loved ones close. Number 4, house hacking for home buyers. So if you're a first-time home buyer, an ADU can make home ownership more affordable for you. I've heard a lot of people say that the cost of buying a home nowadays is just so high, they aren't sure how they can ever get started owning a home. Well, here's an option for you. You can live in one unit and rent out the other to drastically reduce your monthly expenses. Some buyers have even used rental income to qualify for a larger mortgage, so you can check that out too. Number 5, tax benefits and incentives. Georgia homeowners can qualify for tax deductions on ADU-related expenses, such as mortgage interest, property depreciation, and rental property deductions. Now be sure to consult with your tax professional for details, because I for sure am not a tax professional, but the information is out there. Number 6, short-term rental potential. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO make it easy to turn your ADU into a short-term rental, generating just even higher returns. So while some Georgia cities do have regulations on short-term rentals, many areas do allow it once you have the proper permits. So again, you're going to want to check with your county before putting your plan into action. Number 7, you got sustainability and smart investment here. So an ADU really does promote sustainable housing by maximizing your existing space and reducing just urban sprawl in general. Many are built with energy efficient features that make them a smart long-term investment as well. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. In Walton County, If your home is on public water and you have 1.2 acres or more of land, a guest house or ADU can be built on your property. If you're on a well, you'll need 2.4 acres or more to build an accessory dwelling unit. The guest house for Walton County is permitted to have a maximum of 1 kitchen and 1.5 bathrooms and no more than 2 bedrooms. Now, each county does have its own specific guidelines, so you're going to want to check those out. So what do you think? Could house hacking with an ADU be your ticket to financial freedom? If you're considering buying a home with an ADU, building one on your current property, or you just want to explore your options, let's talk. As a real estate expert here serving in Georgia, I'd love to help you with the right property and to guide you through the process, whatever you need. Contact me today for a free consultation. Do you know somebody who needs to hear about this? Share this video with anyone who you think might benefit from this information. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for weekly real estate tips and info. Your home should be more than just your place to live. It should be a tool to build you wealth. Let's make that happen together. I'll see you and take care.